Well, I went to pull the back wheel off of my Tbr7 so I can swap tires for a more aggressive tread pattern. And once I got the tire off the wheel, I noticed a whole bunch of dimples all the way around my tube. So, pulled the tire band, and every single one of them protrude. None of them are flush with the wheel. So, if you got a Tbr7, a Hawk, a Bras, or any of the other China bikes, just a FYI, I would go ahead and look into that because having a flat tire, especially back in the woods or something, that's not a good day. And this could have been easily avoided by them just assembling the wheel properly. But you can go ahead and fix this issue. Just file them down smooth so there's nothing protruding. Fix the issue real quick, put your tire back on, and know that you won't have a flat tire. So that's all. Just a quick FYI. Try to keep everybody updated with all the work that I do to these bikes and any of the problems or issues that I find. That way you guys can fix them before they become a problem. Hope this helps.